Want to use Facebook Marketplace? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily use the Facebook Marketplace. Start by heading over to your application Facebook. Enter your login credential and log into a specific account. Once you've been logged in, at the bottom of the screen, you will see the option of Marketplace. Simply click on it. Once you're in this page, scroll down and tons of different products will be visible to you. You can also search it in the search bar by tapping on this search icon. Enter the name of the product that you want to buy. Accordingly, tons of different products will be visible to you. Click on specific product that you want to purchase. And then you have to send them a message by tapping on send. Chat with them for the more information. And if you like the product, you can easily order from them. Or if you want to sell the product, then tap on sell at the top left corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, tap on create listing. Select the specific product that you want to sell, one item. Now in this page, you have to upload the photo of your product. Enter the title, price, category, condition, and description of the product. Once you have mentioned all the details, tap on publish at the top right corner of the screen. After that, you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial.